I mean, I guess the reliability of something is a factor of two things to me. One is how many people have given feedback. What's the sample size, really? So if I were to go on Facebook and see reviews of a doctor that had 100 reviews of random people, without even knowing those people, I would give a lot of weight to those reviews because there are so many people I feel like I could get a good impression of the doctor from the reviews. Whereas if the sample size is really small, whatever the source, I'm less likely to trust it. That said, getting 100 reviews from Facebook to me would probably be less important than getting one review from a person that I know well, who's been to this doctor and who can give me a really in-depth feedback on that doctor. That to me would sort of trump any other reviews, I think.
I've definitely used Yelp in the past to review doctors and health insurance companies when I've been looking. And I know that I've used some other rating companies, but I don't remember the names because I just Googled it. And then people, there's a couple of different forums where people have rated things, but I don't know the names of them. The reason that I trust Yelp is because I know a lot of people that are on it, and it has a large user population. So just the amount of people using it, and it seems to be, it seems to be known by everybody. The hospital reviews, if they have them on the hospital website, sometimes I'll read them, but I also feel like those tend to be a little biased. So if it was, governmental, then I would trust that more.
I think a trustworthy source is just the amount of reviews, and after you read 10 or 12, 20, 30 of them, a pattern starts to emerge that really fleshes out. And I'm talking about running shoes, really, but that would be the same with doctors. It would be the same with restaurants. It would be the same with babysitters.
Looking for this new doctor we did. We went online and did some research through Yahoo and Yelp to get some feedback of some people's opinions to help. Because finding a new doctor was a little task at first. And I wanted to stay local, close to work and home. So yes, I did review and search for one.
I use Google, and I just Google around and look for, actually Yelp does have some doctors reviewed, so I actually use Yelp quite a bit in order to determine what kind of doctor I should see. Obviously I have to take everything with a grain of salt. Sometimes most people who have like a regular experience don't go to Yelp, and some people have like a horrible experience run to Yelp. So it takes some experiences with a grain of salt. But overall, you can see a pattern. If somebody has consistently high quality ratings, I would choose to go to them.